Good morning students. Today I am going to teach about reading and making maps. This is the first chapter in 6th class studies. In this chapter you will learn two things: reading maps and making maps. What is the difference between reading and studying? Reading involves pursuing through the text to understand the concept. What is studying? Studying involves researching and learning. It is important to remember the things in studying. It may not important to remember the things in reading. What is a map? Map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of a place of land or sea, showing physical features like cities, roads, etc. Maps tell us several things about different places. Maps tell us several things about different places. Where the places are, what kind of trees are grown, the land is rocky soil, the land consists of rocky soil or sandy soil or fertile soil, what kind of people are living there, what kind of languages they were using. This kind of information we can learn from the maps. Everything is not shown on a map. You may have to Everything is not shown on a map. You may have to consult different maps. Directions. How can you identify the directions in a new place? Already you studied in earlier classes. When you are facing towards the east, your right side shows south, your left side shows north, back of you shows west. Like this, you can identify the directions in a new place. How can you find the directions on a map? Generally, map makers show the top of the map shows north, bottom of the map shows south, right side of the map shows east, left side of the map shows west. Like that, map makers locate the directions on a map. In a particular cases, south direction show on the top of the map or left side of the map. Okay. Scale or distance on a map. It is not possible to show the actual distance on a map. For that purpose, map makers using the scale. We use scale for showing the distance on a ground in a reduced manner on a map. In a reduced manner, map makers use the scale. 10 kilometers will show in 1 centimeter. 10 kilometers equal to 1 centimeter on a map. As per their convenience, they will use the scale on a map. Symbols. It is also not possible to show the actual objects on the map. For that purpose, map makers are using the symbols. PTO, PO, PS, RS. These are the letters to indicate the particular places. PTO indicates Post and Telegraph Office. PO indicates Post Office. PS indicates Police Station. RS indicates Railway Station. Like that, some symbols also prepared by the map makers to show the Pakka road, to show the Kacha road, to show the railway line, meter gauge, broad gauge, to show the church, to show the habitations, to show the masjid. Different symbols were prepared by the map makers. Map makers will use these symbols and they prepare the maps. This is about reading and making maps. Thank you children. Have a nice day.